Hello! Today we're going to talk about angles in mathematics. Angles form when two lines make a corner. That corner you might remember is called a vertex. Another way to say this is angles are formed when two lines have a common endpoint. I'm going to show you what this means. I'm drawing two lines. Here's a line, and here is another line. These lines meet at something called an endpoint. Here's the endpoint. You can also call this endpoint a vertex. Let me draw some other examples of angles. I'm drawing two lines that meet to make a corner. So here's one line. Here's a second line. They meet at a corner. So I have an angle. Let's do one more together. I'm going to draw a line this way, and I'm having another line going horizontally. These two lines have a common endpoint where they make a corner right here. So there's an angle. So these are three examples of angles. The angle that you really want to focus on is an angle called the right angle. Here is a right angle. Right angles occur when a perfectly straight vertical line going up and down meets with a perfectly straight horizontal line going left to right. So this perfectly straight vertical line meets with a perfectly straight horizontal line, creating a right angle. When a perfectly straight vertical line meets with a perfectly straight horizontal line, this is also called perpendicular. Can you say that word? Perpendicular. Angles have measurements. Angles can be measured in degrees. Right angles specifically have a measurement of 90 degrees. So here's a right angle. For my right angle, it has a measurement of 90 degrees. You can show degrees as a tiny little circle on the right side of your number. So this shows 90 degrees. Right angles have a measurement of 90 degrees. They occur when a perfectly straight vertical line meets with a perfectly straight horizontal line. These are also called perpendicular lines.